Sir, all LED and जितने भी instruments हैं, follow IS.
There are standards are there.
Solar light is inventory, not any company denote the IS.
For solar.
Yes.
No, there is.
When we can retain displays, sometimes we have an option for using power LEDs or COBs. What is the best?
What can be best? Because COB is, I cannot say the COB is not a good technology. If you are doing the proper heat management, the COB is also good. COBs are designed in such a way in chip that the chip is having suppose 10 LEDs are embedded in one particular device. So the thermal management we have to do according to that 10 meter.
But in COBs, metal core PCB is not required. COBs can be directly mounted on the fixture.
Because that is having its own itself.
You said the light is available to 1 lakh.
Yes. Now I also heard that the LED light is people are quoting up to 1 lakh hours. Yes, it was started from 25 hours, 10,000 hours to now 50,000 hours. Now 1 lakh hours is also specific.
How CFL and the LED light is comparable cost-wise?
In price, sir, in terms of price, like CFL can be available in 100 rupees or 150 rupees. If we are taking the example of 11 watt of circuit, maybe the LED price, initial LED good quality lamp price will be high, 200 rupees or 300 rupees. You have to pay for that, but your payback period, return of investment will be very soon. If you calculate a 3 watt of LED lamp, so now see, understand like this 3 watt of LED lamp, if you run it for a day, 10 hours, then 30 watt is consumption. 30 watt for 30 days in a month, so 900 watt is consumption. So even not a single unit is generated after your month. So you are not going to pay even a 1 unit 6 rupees. And if you are using a 11 watt of CFL, in place of that, like in our washrooms, corridors, wherever we are using, unknowingly people are putting switch on the CFL lamp for whole night. There we can change it. There we should replace it by the LED lamps.
It cost will cut down.
At the manufacturer level, you decide that this is the driver which is suitable for this kind of LED strip that you are designing, right? But then at the user level or as an architect or as an interior designer, then we suggest that you put LED strip light to be used as an indirect light on the doors. At the very moment, how do we decide that what is the driver which is suitable for this?
That's explain.
But then that time sometimes we don't have the package, sometimes we don't have those details to calculate that what
No,
the driver
at that time you can, what you can do, you can have the specification of that script, what are the LEDs, what is the specification. Once you get number of
per
LEDs,
meter we can see and then we can decide.
There is some thermal tapes also in the market.
Thermal tapes.
In the heat seeking compound. So what you prefer?
No, sir, thermal heat sink. I prefer the thermal greasing. So,
How do we know that any LED lamp has a good thermal heat sink? I mean, how to judge it at a very basic level?
very true question, very nice question. It's very difficult. In fact, by seeing it is not possible. There is no way that I can take a
Or
lamp in my
maybe
hand.
ask the vendor or the dealer or the supplier that what kind of sink are you using?
You should ask for the technical specification of the lamp in more detail. So you
Of
can.
the lamp.
So we never see. Normally, what we do that we see the wattage of the lamp. Even we should not purchase the LED light in terms of watt. We always have to check the lumen output of this. Because some LED lamps are giving the very poor lumen, but watt is 6 watt or 10 watt. If that 10 watt you can do with the 3 watt of lamp, then what is the use of the 10 watt?
Normally on the lamp, wattage and voltage is mentioned.
Depend on the manufacturer.
Normally,
Sir, now what you can do that you can ask for the LED. What LED make is there? So you can go on to data sheet of the LED.
Being a common man, he always known about the voltage and wattage. Voltage is 630 volt. Wattage only 11 watt, 10 watt, 9 watt. Only that one.
What about the availability of LEDs?
Sir, dimmability again. This is the one limitation of the LED from the it's an aging effect. We can call it an aging effect. the consistency in light output reduces.
But I am talking of controlled dimmability.
Controlled dimmability, yeah. So you can control it with the help of PWM drivers by using the, even now the remote sensing sensors are available in the market. You can control its intensity by controlling the DC current of the light. So there will be all the controls in terms of DC, because the voltage, the constant current drivers are there. So the current is constant. So in that case, the voltage, if you change it, then there will be no. More experienced people are there for the old technologies, conventional technologies. They can tell you about the intelligent light. As I heard that 5% of it, 5% of electricity, electrical power is converted into light. All the voltage, all the efficiency is going into the heat in incandescent lamp.
डोमेस्टिक LED यूज में कलर टेम्परेचर कौन सा सजेस्ट करते हैं? हेल्प करता है।
सर कलर टेम्परेचर का वैसे तो सर कलर टेम्परेचर का वैसे बिल्कुल LED से कोई लेना नहीं है, बिकॉज दैट इज कोरिलेटेड कलर टेम्परेचर। द कलर टेम्परेचर इज द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द फिलामेंट होता है बेसिकली। सो अगर आप 1500, 1700, 2700 के आसपास है, देन यू आर नियर टू रेड एंड वार्म व्हाइट कोजी लाइट कलर्स. If the color temperature is high, more than 6000 degree Kelvin, then you are towards the violet. Then it's depend on your. It's a totally psychological behavior that we are calling the warm white as a at lower temperature and cool white at higher temperature. If the terminology confusingly is in the market, or not confusingly, psychologically I can say, the warm white at the lower color temperature and the cool white at the higher color temperature.
जैसे यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में व्हाइट लाइट उन्होंने बैन कर रखी है, येलो लाइट
No, sir. No, not white light is banned. What I suppose the blue lights are banned. Blue lights are banned. That is because of blue pollution. There is a blue hazards which injures your retina. If your viewing angle is less than 8 degree, then they have specified, the lighting standard organization specified the two categories of LED, class 1 and class 2. So if you are in class 2 category, that is not safe for your eyes. So if the viewing angle is less, mainly it is used in discotheques में कुछ word होता है उसके लिए in वो करके कुछ word होता है. That is for that particular blue light of LEDs. So that injures the retina. So for that type of LEDs, it is banned. Ban is there. So after this session, so I want to. After this session, we are having some questions from our side also, which I will talk from this end. And on each question, if anybody answers, then there will be a gift from our side that we will give. So I want to take permission of sir for this.
Please go ahead.
Light emission from LED is known as. Anybody who raises the hand and gives the correct answer will get the LED lamp.
Electroluminescence.
Very good. What is the approximate wavelength of red color?
7,500.
You are telling in Armstrong? What is it? No meter, I have to convert.
7 minus 10 कर दी
10 to the power?
700 nano.
Minus 11.
700 nanometer. Yeah. This is right. Which color phosphor is used on blue LED to make the white yellow? That is very difficult. So this question is time. What is the operating? Please raise your hand. I will ask the question. What is the operating voltage of an LED?
3.3 volt.
Name the metal which is used to make the metal core PCB. And last question that I will ask. One question. Now I want to know. It's a very general question. Why ultraviolet rays are harmful for our body? We are always saying that we should not go into the ultraviolet. We should not be exposed to the ultraviolet. Why? What is the technical reason?
Radiation.
Radiation. All the emission is radiation. Whatever the wavelength is coming is radiation. What is the harm into it?
burning of cells.
Yes.
Burning of
Burning of cells takes place by
Cancer.
Probably.
But sir, that is the effect of that, but why?
Shorter wavelength.
Yes sir, it's a short wavelength, it's high frequency, and that may have it is having the high energy that burn our skin. So we should always be, we should not have the blue lights in our room. We should not have the ultraviolet, that the wavelengths above that near to the 400, and this wavelength should not be preferred in our home or in our living places.
I will just add to
Yes,
it.
yeah.
Actually, since it's a small wavelength, it penetrates more in our skin.
Yeah.
That's
Thank you, Mr. Uday Gole. It was an excellent session. It was very enlightening and it cleared quite a few basic fundamentals about LEDs. Now I shall request the dignitaries to be back to the dais at the respective places. I would request Sir P.L. Meene to present a token of melody to our speaker of today, Mr. Uday Gole. Please give him a big hand. It's time for birthday celebrations, for which I shall call upon Akhilesh to announce the names of birthday boys and girls.
Swapnil, I'm waiting for some music. आउटर स्टेशन जो है उनमें से कुछ लोग नहीं आ सके, जैसे हमारे मिस्टर मिसेस बाबर, इनकी फैमिली दो ही यहाँ पर ये लोग हैं, बेटा बाहर है, सो बाबर कुड नॉट कम, मॉर्निंग में सारे काम रहते हैं और मिस्टर बाबर वुड हैव बीन एट होम. Her birthday, let us start with her only. Her birthday was on 15th of May. Let us give clippings. दोस्तों अजय जैन क्या है? अजय जैन, इनका बर्थडे 4th May को था, इन्होंने मुझसे कहा था मैं आऊंगा. पीयूष अग्रवाल, पीयूष जी, थैंक्स. 12th May. ऋषित जैन इज इन झांसी, इनका बर्थडे 4th May को था. रजनीश ताउशे 19th May, ये बॉम्बे में है. राजीव कनोजे 26th May, कल है इनका बर्थडे, ये है ग्वालियर में. हमारे लास्ट स्पीकर राजीव जैन, आइए, 13 मई 13th May, तालियां जरा जोर से हो जाए इनकी. सुधीर वर्मा 9th May बॉम्बे में है. मनदीप छावड़ा जी नहीं आए हैं. और नन अदर देन अपने आज के स्पीकर 5th May उदय भोले जी. एंड नाउ मैं रिक्वेस्ट बाबर जी एंड अब्दुल पांडे जी कि सबका एनकरेजमेंट करते हुए केक में इनको एनकरेज करिए केक कटिंग के लिए. म्यूजिक
call upon Mr. A.K. Pandey for a valedictory.
गम न कर जिंदगी बहुत बड़ी है, गम न कर जिंदगी बहुत बड़ी है, चाहत की महफिल तेरे लिए सही है, चाहत की महफिल तेरे लिए सही है, बस एक बार मुस्कुरा कर तो देख, बस एक बार मुस्कुरा कर तो देख, तकदीर खुद तुझसे मिलने बाहर खड़ी है। It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on the occasion. I, A.K. Pandey, Honorary Secretary on behalf of Indian Society of Biology Engineers, and on my own behalf, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to the Mr. Uday Bole for his sharing of views. I also extend my thanks to matter of OT, and the things cannot complete without the audience. The audience deserves a special thanks. Thank you to all. Last, अगर दोस्ती एक गुनाह है तो उसे होने मत देना, अगर दोस्ती एक गुनाह है तो उसे होने मत देना, अगर दोस्ती खुदा है तो उसे खोने मत देना, अगर दोस्ती खुदा है तो उसे खोने मत देना, अगर करनी हो दोस्ती किसी से तो उस दोस्त को खफा होने मत देना।